If you want to change the icon shape on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our wallpaper and style section. There it is. In our wallpaper and style, we're gonna scroll down and choose our icons. There you are. So you can choose one of the presetted themes, right? Like material, shadow, radiance, classic, pebble, or custom. And you can customize the shape of it. You can use redesign icon for third-party apps, and you can turn that on or off. So it depends on the theme which you're using. However, if you're using custom, let's set it on this one. I think it looks kind of cute. Let's press apply. And basically, that's it. Now our icons look fresh and customized. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.